All right, today is my birthday. I only get to say that one time per year, every 360 some odd days. But anyway, thanks guys for the birthday, happy birthday messages, I guess, whatever they're called. All right, today is December 6th of 2024. In about a week or so, Live Good turns 2 on December 13th. Because the 13th of 2022 back in December, that's when Ben, the CEO, and Dr. Ryan and his hot wife, Lisa, and Nader Kazan, they said, ready, set, go. Let's invent and create the best organic products that money and research can buy and offer it at a wholesale situation for $10 a month. Be a member for $9.95 to be exact. And on top of that, we'll just focus on being a membership-based club like Costco, Amazon. I think you've heard of these little things that generate billions and billions and save you a lot of money through membership. Okay. So with $10 a month, you can just go into Live Good and shop your little heart off, your little buns. Okay. Those cute little buns you sit on. Go ahead, look at the products. You can click any of those little white rectangles by the products, information, look at the ingredients, how much, okay, shipping and handling, all that's decided before you click purchase. If you buy any of our products, here in America, it's by the United States Post Office with tracking. And if you're outside of good old America, DHL International does, I think, like 90% or more of our shipments with tracking too. You want to know how much shipping is, and you want tracking to know when, where is it coming. Now, with our company being 2 years old, this is amazing, but we have 1.6 to 1.7 million people, members and affiliates already worldwide. Couple hundred countries, 15 million bucks of products going out, mostly at wholesale pricing, which is amazing. If you put it at retail, it'd be like 30 some odd million, and that's a month. Within a couple of years, that's mind blowing. Now, we're based out of Jupiter, Florida. We have 3 buildings there. Okay. We're building in Canada. I know we're going to have to go down to Mexico, over in the UK, definitely in China, anywhere over in Asian areas, and Africa too. That way the product starts there. So if you live in those areas, isn't it nice to know that the products are closer to you? And obviously, if they start at point A and they go to your point B, which is your front door, it's going to be faster and cheaper. Okay. All this is underway. All right. Ben Glinsky, very smart guy that runs and operates our business. Okay. He's got a lot of years doing this. And there's a big surge of people just wanting to join and enjoy the products and be an affiliate. When people find out it's only $40 to be an affiliate and you can start earning not on product purchases, just being a cheerleader, all I do is say, guys, go to joincory.com. It goes to the Live Good capture page. That's how I earn thousands and thousands a month with Live Good. And I attract almost 400 people just sign up directly underneath me. And if I can get a couple people, 10, 11, 12 deep, man, that's thousands of people that are in my group. All based on just $10 a month. And it can add up, guys. There's people in our company that make anywhere from 10 to 20, 30, 40, $50,000 per month. Okay. There's 7 ways we get paid. All right. So I'm going to just shrink myself down. I'm going to show you the back office of Live Good. Okay. But I like to talk money. $49.95. You can come aboard as a one-time charge, $40 to be an affiliate. That's for life. That's not next year. That's not $40 every month, every year. $40 one and done. You're an affiliate. You just have to be a member. $9.95 a month. $49.95. You can come aboard right now. If you want to save and get 2 months free, all right, get 12 months for the price of 10, $99.95. Okay, 12 months for the price of 10. I don't make any more or less. It's just nice to get a couple free months if you have, that $100 bill laying around. But it's up to you, okay? So let me go ahead and shrink up a little bit. There's my radio station I own. I've owned this baby since 2006. PureRockRadio.com. There's a free plug, okay? Now, this is the back office to Live Good. So if you're in Live Good already, you know what it looks like. And if you don't, let me just show you my business card that I made, okay? Whoops, almost dropped them all. I got a whole bunch in my hand here. joincory.com. Can you please just go to that? And then you can go ahead and follow along with me. All right. And you're obviously probably watching this. It's recorded. Okay. Some people watch live, but in this case, you know what? If it's recorded, just joincory.com and you'll see exactly what I'm showing you right now in my vid. Okay. All right, kids, go to the products tab and you're going to see our products. Just go to the white rectangles if you want to learn more about the product, the seals of approval, how much, the ingredients. Okay. Look at how many products we have. We have 5 more skincare products coming out and a whole bunch in 2025. All right. We have marketing systems, co-ops, where if you have a couple bucks, you can buy traffic that'll go into a nice capture page that will discuss this whole opportunity for you. Okay. You don't have to do any video to be successful in this company. But look at how many products. We even have shirts and hats and little hoodie if you're a little cold, little beanie cap if you live in Utah here. So go to the products. I want you to be proud of what we sell, especially if you're a wholesale member. You can't beat the prices. You're going to freak out when you see. Okay, go to the FAQ section too, because the frequently asked questions, they're there. Okay, just read that line and click it. Read those lines, click it. Membership, you can learn about management, compensation, everything else. Okay, so here's the 1, 2, and then the 3. Number 1 is go to products. Number 2, go to FAQ. Number 3, I want you to know about the comp plan. Okay, you don't have to buy products to be successful. All you have to do is be a cheerleader, be an affiliate, pay that $40 and just get good at inviting people to watch short little video. And I'll show you that in a sec. But here's the 7 ways we get paid. You guys can take your time and just read about it. But the best way, go to the bottom and watch this produced YouTube video from the company. It explains our comp plan very nicely. Okay. Now, what I do is I tell people to go to joincory.com. Now on your screen, this is a capture page. This is produced by LIVEGOOD. That whole website I showed you, completely built by LIVEGOOD. They have credit card processing, customer service. Guys, you don't have to do anything except invite people to this page that you see right now. Most people will watch this 6-minute video right here in the middle. Ben Glinsky talks about the products, the opportunity, and you know what? He signed up almost 400 people, so thank you, Ben. And then if you want, put your name and your email address here, and guess what? You're going to get an email from LIVEGOOD. And if you want to join, just follow along in the email. And if you want to get 30 days, 1 nice email about LIVEGOOD per day, go ahead and put your name and email address in and just put reserve my position now. Okay? You're not joined yet. You're just in the system and you're going to get nice messages about LIVEGOOD per day. Because a lot of people want to take their time, take 1 to 2 to a week. Some people, I think my record's 4 months. I had someone about a month ago join. And they said 4 months ago, I kind of pre-enrolled and I finally said, it's winter time. Kids are in school. I need to make money. Okay. So some people, they just sit on the fence and relax for 1, 2, 3, 4 months. Some people sign up right away. They look at the video. They look at the opportunity. Before you know it, they join and they don't even get a hold of me or ask me questions or nothing. It's just nice to see that, hey, you have somebody. All right. I've signed up 5 to 6 people. And today, let's see, is December 6th. It's my birthday. I pretend I don't know. Okay. But yeah, I've signed up 5, 6 people just in the last 7, 8 days. All right. I've been averaging about 1 a day. And that's awesome during the holiday season because here in America where I live, people are shopping and wrapping stuff and going to parties and dinners and getting big old chubby and eating tons of calories and carbs and gooey gravy, yum, candy, pumpkin pie with whipped cream. But our company is focusing a lot on health right now and nutrition. Okay, getting your body in shape. But we're going to go in a whole bunch of other categories, just like Amazon did. They started in books, and now they're just about every category on planet Earth. We're going to do the same thing. Okay, but go to the products now and see if they're for you. If you want to buy them regularly, then obviously just become a member for $10 a month. But if you want to earn money, and I suggest just spend that $40. Let's get you making $50 to $100 as fast as possible. That way you get your $49.95 back. But if you can make $50 to $100 a month and you want to spend $50 to $100 a month on these killer products, not a bad deal, right? But in my opinion, disclaimer, I think it's just as easy to make 100 as it is 500. 500 is 1,000 because all you're doing is finding other people that have $10. Do you have $10? Hey, you have 10? Okay, well, let's talk to someone across the street or maybe email somebody or just put some social media posts up, see if other people have $10. You know what? A lot of people have $10 bills, especially in other countries, even the Philippines. Man, we have Korea, South Korea, right down to any Asian property, Malaysia, Japan, and China. Over in Africa, I have downlines in Mexico, up in Canada, all over this great dirt ball called Earth. Okay? You're going to meet a lot of cool people too. If you're not in Live Good and you don't mind answering emails and being a little sociable, you're not going to meet just people across the street. This isn't like going to your bowling league and meeting Bob that lives 5 miles down. We're talking you're going to meet people probably in Africa, and then you're going to, like New Guinea. You're like, where's New Guinea? Then New Zealand, down to Australia, and then you're going to go up north. You might have someone from Santa Claus Lane. Santa might join. Who knows? Okay? But it's exciting when you're involved in a company that can earn you money 24 hours a day while you're sleeping, eating, pooping, hiking, whatever you're doing. 7 days a week. All right? It's nice to make money like that. Taking a shower once in a while, maybe brushing your teeth once a week. You know, you're brushing just one tooth a week, okay, and you're making money while you're dental flossing and all your teeth fall out. Now you need to make money so you can buy some dentures. But please try to bathe and brush your teeth more than once a week. That might help a lot, especially if you meet people in person. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Cory. I only shower once a week. Here's my card. They're like, no, that's okay. Here. That's okay, Cory. Just flick the business card. We don't need to shake hands or nothing, but just flick the card, okay? So, homework. Is it homework? Not really. Number 1, joincory.com. Go ahead and put your name and email address. Then number 2, go to the products. Number 3, go to the FAQ section. Number 4, go to the affiliate pay plan link. Do your research. Get a hold of me if you need something. I'm your boy. I ain't shy, guys. I know Live Good extremely well right now, okay? I'm number 27 on the leaderboard. I want to be top 10 in 2025, and that's out of 1.7, 1.8. We'll be at 2 million people in this company. Your boy's going to shoot for top 10. I know I can do it, especially if I sign up 15 to 30 people a month, okay? I want to kick some ass, and I want you to do the same. If you're in my group, I kind of have an ego. All right, if you're on my team, if you're in my downline and you trust me, let's all kick ass together, okay? All right, deal. High five. Go to YouTube. Go ahead and just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do thousands of videos every year about Live Good and some other opportunities, okay? Go to CoryDraper.com, and you can see how I make Live Good just kick massive buns, okay? And that's it, guys. All right, have a good day. Have a good night. And I hope you dig this video. Okay. Talk to you later, guys.